In this video, I'll show you how to use Docusign on the iPhone app step by step so you can manage, review, and sign documents anytime, anywhere without needing a computer. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone and searching for the Docusign app, then download and install it just like any other app. Once installed, open the app and log in using your existing account credentials, or create a new account if you're a first-time user by following the simple on-screen steps. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard where all your documents are organized, including those waiting for your signature, completed files, and any drafts you may have saved. To sign a document, tap on it, review the contents carefully, and then tap the highlighted fields to add your signature, initials, or other required details. You can draw, type, or upload your signature depending on your preference. Make sure to double-check all information before finalizing to avoid mistakes. Once done, tap Finish to complete the process. Subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.